A very good morning to all my dear children. Today is Thursday, the fourth day of the week, and we will study English. In today's class, children, we will learn to read and recognize capital and small letters A to Z with the help of their phonic sounds and songs. Then, children, we will practice writing capital A to Z in series in the notebook. In practice work, children, you will write the first line of Vyanjan Ka, Kha, Ga, Gha, Anga. And then, children, we will recite the rhyme Little Tommy Tucker with actions. So, let's start our today's learning. Children, now let's learn and recognize capital letters A to Z with pictures. So, let's start, children. You also speak with me. Now, look here, children. This is capital A. A for apple. A for apple. Now comes B. B for ball. This is B. B for ball. Now comes C. C for cat. Meow. C for cat. The next letter is D. Look here, children. This is capital D and D for dog. This is dog. Now comes E, children. Look here. This is E. E for elephant. Now the next letter is capital F. F for fish. F for fish. Children, this is G. G for goat. Now comes H. H for hen. Children, the next letter is I. I for ice cream. We all love to eat ice cream in summers. Now comes J. J for jug. Children, after J, this is K. K for kite. Next letter is L. This is L. L for lion. Now comes M. M for mango. Summer is the season of mango. M for mango. Now comes N. N for nest. The bird lives in a nest. Children, this is O. O for orange. Now comes P. P for parrot. Children, the next letter is Q. Q for queen. Now comes R. R for rabbit. This is S. S for ship. Now comes T. This is capital T. T for tiger. The tiger. This is a tiger. Children, this is capital T. T for tiger. Now comes U. U for umbrella. The next letter is V. V for van. Now comes W. W for watch. Children, this is X. X for Xmas tree. Children, this is capital Y. Y for yak. And now comes the last letter. This is Z. Z for zebra. Children, in this way, you have to learn to read and recognize capital letters A to Z with the help of picture. Children, now let's recognize capital and small letters A to Z along with their sounds and songs. Capital A, small a. A says A. Ants on my arms, it's causing me alarm. A says A. This is capital B and this is small b. B says B. Bring your bat and bring your ball to the park to play. B says B. This is capital C and this is small c. C says K. We are taking castanets. K, K, K. So C says K. Capital D, small d. D says D. See me play on my drum. Playing drum is a lots of fun. With a da 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 da. So D says D. Capital E, small e. E says E. Eggs in the pan. Cracks the eggs like this. E says F. Now comes F. This is capital F and this is small f. F says My friend and I went to the beach with my floating fish. It got a hole and air came out. G says G. This is capital G and this is small g. G says G. The water gurgles down the drain. The water gurgles down the drain. G. Now comes H. This is capital H and this is small h. It says H. I like to hop, hop, hop up and down. I like to hop, hop, hop all around. So it says H. Now comes I, children. This is capital I and this is small I. I says E. Inky the mouse is my pet. She spilled the ink and got wet. The ink is all over the desk. Inky is wet. I says E. Capital J, small j. J says J. Jelly and jam, jiggling on the plate. Oh, what will I eat with it? J. This is capital K and this is small k. K says K. Kites are flying in the sky. K. And it is a kicking K. K says K. Now comes L. Capital L, small l. L says L. We lick a lollipop. We lick a lollipop. We lick a lollipop. Now comes M, children. This is capital M and this is small m. M says The mom and the dad make many meals. The mom and the dad make many meals for their hungry children. Now comes N, capital N and small n. N says Hear the aeroplane. Hear the aeroplane. Making lots of noise. N says Now comes O, children. This is capital O and this is small o. O says O. Now it's dark, the light goes on. It's time for bed, the light goes off. This is capital P and this is small p. P says puff. Puff out the candles on the pink cake. Puff. Capital Q, small q. Q says quack. The ducks in the pond says quack, 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 quack. Q says quack. R says, this is capital R and this is small r. R says rrr, rrr. See my puppy rip the rag. Rrr, rrr. See my puppy rip the rag when he pulls so hard. Children, this is capital S and this is small s. S says the snake is in the grass. The snake is in the grass. The snake is in the grass. Children, this is capital T and this is small t. T says T. When I watch the tennis game, When I watch the tennis game, my head goes back and forth. Children, this is capital U and this is small u. U says up. Up go umbrellas. Up go umbrellas when it starts to rain. Capital V, small v. V says work. Drive Vix went round the village. Drive Vix went round the village. Drive Vix went round the village. Whoa, 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 whoa. Capital W, small w. W says work. I see the clouds moving. Whoa, whoa, whoa. I see the trees bending. Whoa, whoa, whoa. I see the kites flying. Whoa, whoa, whoa. The wind is blowing strong. Children, this is capital X and this is small x. X is take an X-ray. Take an X-ray. X-ray of my hand. This is capital Y and this is small y. Y says here. I like to eat yogurt and bananas. I like to eat yogurt and bananas. Children, now comes the last letter Z. This is capital Z and this is small z. Z says Z. Did you ever hear a bee buzz, a bee buzz? Did you ever hear a bee buzz, a bee buzz? Zzz, zzz, zzz. In this this way, children, you have to learn the songs and sounds of the letters A to Z, the way I taught you. Children, today again we will practice writing capital letters A to Z. First, I am going to write on the board, which you have to watch carefully, and children, you have to write in your best handwriting. Alright, so let's start. This is today's date, children. Today is 19th August 2021. Now, children, we will write capital A like this. After A comes B, so speak and write. Now comes C. So start from the red line and come till the second blue line. Now comes D. After D comes E. F. G. H. I. J. K. After K, children, comes L like this. Now we will write capital M. Two standing lines and two slanting lines like this. M. After M comes N. O. See, this is wrong, so I am going to erase it. Capital O. Now comes P. Q. R. After R, S. T. U. After U, V. Now we will write capital W. X. Now Y. And the last letter, capital Z. So children, now I will show you how you will write capital A to Z in your notebook. Children, now let's write capital A to Z in the notebook. First, write today's date. Today is 19th August 2021, like this. Now children, see. Speak and write A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I. Now comes J, then K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and here comes Z. In this way, children, you have to write capital A to Z in your English notebook. Write it, take its picture and send it to me. ओके चिल्ड्रन, नाउ इट्स टाइम टू डू प्रैक्टिस वर्क। और प्रैक्टिस वर्क में आपको हिंदी की नोटबुक में व्यंजन की पहली लाइन क ख ग घ अंगा लिखना है। सबसे पहले आज की डेट लिखेंगे। आज की डेट क्या है? 19 अगस्त 2021 ऐसे लिखना है। और अब हम शुरू करते हैं लिखना। तो पहले क्या लिखेंगे? क, फिर ख, फिर ग, घ और अंगा। अब क के नीचे पहले हम क को फिनिश लिख करके इस लाइन को फिनिश करेंगे। देखो, ब्लू लाइन पे पेंसिल रखी, स्टैंडिंग लाइन बनाई, इस लाइन पे एक सेमी सर्कल बनाया और दूसरी तरफ उसकी एक टेल निकाल दी और नीचे वाली ब्लू लाइन को टच किया, फिर छत लगा दिया ऐसे। क, तो देखो अब हमने फर्स्ट लाइन फिनिश कर ली क लिख के। तो इस तरह से आपको फर्स्ट लाइन में क लिखना है। अब हम लिखेंगे ख। तो ख के लिए सबसे पहले एक स्टैंडिंग लाइन बनाएंगे, उल्टा सी लंबी पूंछ इस लाइन से मिलाया और इसमें एक छोटा सा सेमी सर्कल लाइन पे ऐसे। अगर लाइन टेढ़ी है तो वो लाइन टेढ़ी हो गई थी तो मैंने उसको इरेज किया, सी ऐसी स्टैंडिंग लाइन, उल्टा सी लंबी पूंछ और फिर इसमें एक सेमी सर्कल ऐसे। ख, ख से क्या क्या होता है? ख से खरगोश, ख से खटिया, ख से खटखटाना। तो इस तरह से आपको ख लिखना है सुंदर सा और सेकेंड लाइन में ख लिख के फिनिश करना है। ओके, तो अब ये सेकेंड लाइन में लास्ट ख लिख रही हूं मैं, ऐसे ही आपको लिखना है और ये लाइन फिनिश करनी है। इसके बाद हम ग लिखेंगे। तो ग के लिए क्या करेंगे? सबसे पहले एक लंबी लाइन बनाएंगे जो कि इस ऊपर वाली ब्लू लाइन से शुरू होके नीचे वाली ब्लू लाइन तक आएगी। अब हम एक छोटी लाइन बनाएंगे और उसको ऐसे अंदर की तरफ मोड़ देंगे, उसके आगे ऐसे ग हो जाएगा और फिर छत लगाएंगे ऐसे। इसको नीचे तक नहीं लाना है, ऐसे। और अब ये लास्ट थर्ड लाइन का लास्ट ग लिख रहे हैं हम इस ब्लॉक में ऐसे, ठीक है। ग के बाद आता है घ। तो घ कैसे लिखेंगे? सबसे पहले स्टैंडिंग लाइन बनाई, छोटा सा सी बनाया और एक और सी बना के उसको इस लाइन से मिला दिया और फिर छत लगाई ऐसे। पहले लाइन बनाई, उसके आगे थोड़ी सी दूर पे सी बनाया और एक और सी बना के उसको इस लाइन से मिला दिया। तो अब देखो बच्चों, ये मैं इस फोर्थ लाइन में लास्ट घ लिख रही हूँ और ये नीचे वाली ब्लू लाइन से टच नहीं होना चाहिए, ऐसे घ लिखा। अब ये देखो अब हम क्या लिख रहे हैं? अंगा। व्यंजन की पहली लाइन का आखिरी अक्षर अंगा। तो छोटी सी स्टैंडिंग लाइन बनाई, सी बनाया, उल्टा सी बनाया, बिंदी लगाई, फिर छत लगा दी। देखो ऐसे। और ये जो अंगा है ये भी दोनों लाइंस को टच करेगा ऐसे। तो इस तरह से बच्चों आपको ये फिनिश करना है। क ख ग घ अंगा लिख के ये 1 पेज फिनिश करके आपको इसकी पिक्चर मुझे भेजनी है।
Children, now it's time to recite and practice our rhyme Little Tommy Tucker with action. Let's do it. Good morning. The title of my poem is Little Tommy Tucker. Little Tommy Tucker sings for his supper. What shall he eat? White bread and butter. How shall he cut it? With a big knife. Who shall he share with? With his big, fat wife. Thank you. In this way, children, you have to recite this rhyme. So, try to learn it, make your video on it and send it to me. See you in your next class. Bye-bye.